Hey everybody, Dave Cook at DeFranco. Haha, proof of the pudding. Painting and wallpaper. We're actually doing some window graphics today. So I'm with Britton, and we're in Indiana actually. And we're putting these frosted window tints on a unnamed service gas convenience store. Not sure why they didn't do tint, but they did this frosted stuff on there. So instead of just a clear glass looking through, it's a frosted thing. From what I'm told, it's a lot cheaper than buying glass that's already frosted, but just putting the films on there. So pretty straightforward. We're outside doing this, and I would not recommend this on a windy day. It wasn't easy because it's really windy. I don't know if you can hear it or not, but they left that open. So we got 3 panels. There's another window on the other side, kind of the same thing. Cleaning the glass was the biggest thing, and then outside cleaning the glass, you can get closer. You can see where the stuff was painted before, and so it's getting rid of all that stuff on the edges, making sure we had a clean surface. Cleaning the windows, getting them clean with just a regular glass cleaner, and then we cleaned them with isopropyl alcohol, and then we just peeled them, backing off, got it wet, got the surface wet, got on there, and Britton's been squeegeeing away, making sure we get no air bubbles. So pretty simple application, but it's a great way if you got a business, home, if you got shower doors that need a frost on there versus clear glass. It's not something else we could help you with. If you got questions about window films, window wallpaper, window graphics, wallpapers, painting and cabinet refinishing, let us know. Love to hear how we can help you love the space you're in.